Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 6th, and this is my morning analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure to check out the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, yesterday I was saying how this potentially looks like it should be setting itself up for a sort. If it really is an ABC, then it actually would probably keep on going up like that. It may be the more likely scenario that this does go up, maybe perhaps setting itself up for a much better sorting opportunity. But if you go up to a little bit of a higher time frame and you consider the US dollar as a correlated pair, which we definitely should be, then we would for sure expect that the euro dollar would go down to the 38 or maybe even the 50%. We got to remember that whatever is happening today is most likely going to be setting itself up for the interest rate news that is coming out tomorrow on Wednesday. So whether it drifts up a little bit today and then goes down tomorrow, and then the Wednesday's news causes the continuation of the uptrend, or whether it just kind of starts drifting down to today and then tomorrow drifts up like that, I think that one of those scenarios is going to be the most likely, setting itself up for the news tomorrow. Like I said, whatever happens over the next 24 hours or so is definitely setting itself up for the U.S. interest rate news. So if it just keeps on drifting up, then maybe tomorrow's interest rate news will cause it to go down. If it goes up and then down, setting itself up for a long tomorrow, then that I think would be a much clearer, much better entry for the US dollar interest rate news. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.